In today's video, I have a really quick, easy, but delicious breakfast for you. I made migas. My version is not exactly traditional. It looks like it. I just seasoned it a little bit different. I kind of put my own twist on it. This was something that my aunt taught me to make. I really liked it a lot. So now it's my son's turn to finally try it. And in the next clip, I will show you the ingredients and how I put it together. To make this migas breakfast dish, it is super simple. I just have 2 eggs and 2 corn tortillas. That is how my aunt showed me to make it. All she would season is with a little bit of salt, and I am going to season with adobo instead of salt. I know this is not traditional in any sense to use, but it is the way that I season stuff sometimes. To prepare this, you can hand tear the tortillas, which is traditionally how it's made. My aunt used to cut little cubes like this, and so that's what I do. And they're basically like little mini chips, and that's it. For the eggs, I'm just simply going to crack them into a container. If you want to know the best way to scramble eggs, use chopsticks. To my eggs, I just season them with some adobo. And that's it. Everything's prepped and ready to cook. To start the dish, just heat a pan with some oil. Once the oil's nice and hot, add in the tortillas and just let those get a little bit crispy. I'm just gonna season them with a little bit more adobo. And then to this mixture, just add your eggs. There's our finished dish. Migas. It is super simple to make and really tasty. My husband loves this, so I think my son's gonna love it also. My son's gonna try it. This is his first time having migas. So just take some, it's a tortilla and eggs. Just take some like this and try it.
Okay, Mommy.
Here, I'll help you with the first one.
Yeah.
This.
And put it in ketchup? Yes. Mmm.
Yummy. He likes it. I knew he would like it. His dad loves this dish, and my son is the exact, pretty much carbon copy of my husband. But we're going to finish our breakfast. This is whatever I cooked today. I haven't had it in a very long time, and I just wanted to try it and have my son try it too. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.
Bye!
Bye.